Where can I get the supplies and materials and books that you use in your videos? I get that question a lot. So, hello to all my students out there. If you're serious about building your fashion design career, or actually any designing career, you need the right tools and materials to support your growth, right? That is why I put together an Amazon store just for you. It's filled with the exact books and tools and supplies and materials that I recommend and that I use in my demos. Whether you're sketching or sewing or creating a mood board, building a portfolio, and so on. Everything is curated to help you make your fashion journey be smoother and easier and more successful. So, check out the store. Here's the link. I've got your back.